Building a website from scratch is tough, from designing the UI to writing code. But what if I told you there is an AI tool that can handle all of this for you in minutes? Hello and welcome to NIIT YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can build a complete multi-page website using nothing but AI. No coding, no payment, no complicated setup. And the best part, we will follow a step-by-step guide from building an idea to writing the prompt and finally building and publishing our very own first website. And by the end of this video, you will see how simple it is to turn an idea into a live website with the help of AI. So before start building the website, let me introduce our today AI tool, which is Strikingly. It's a free AI powered website builder that let you create a full multi-page site from one prompt. It's free to start, needs no coding skills and does not ask for a credit card. Let's sign up and see how this website works. And to start with, let me just quickly fill my sign up details here. And once you are in this website, this will be your dashboard, the place where every new project starts. In this template, you can see that Strikingly offers thousands of pre-built templates that you can use to create your own website with. Let me just quickly show you one preview of these websites. These pre-built templates contains a very unique UI that you can use to create your own website with. But for today, I will be using the AI model of Strikingly, where I can build my own personal website in just 5 minutes using just a single prompt. And now we are inside AI website generator. This is where everything begins because the quality of a website depends entirely on how clearly you describe your idea. Think of this prompt box as your blueprint. The more context you give, the smarter the output will be. And to start with, let me just quickly write my business name here. And here is the prompt I am going to use to create my own personal website. This single paragraph tells the AI what to build, what tones to follow, and what sections to include. Now let's just quickly hit confirm and generate and see what it creates. And here where the magic starts. In just few seconds, Strikingly AI creating the structure of a website, selecting a layout, placing images, and even generating text automatically. It's essentially doing the work of a full web designing team, but entirely through automation. In less than a minute, we already have a complete multi-page draft, fully linked and ready for editing. Now that the AI has finally finished creating the website for us, let's take a closer look at what it's built. You can see a home page complete with a banner image, a clean heading, and a clear call to action button. The layout looks well structured and the color blend nicely with the theme. Let's just quickly go to the product page. After coming to product page, there are ready-made product card that includes pricing, short description, and a placeholder for image, all neatly aligned and consistent in style. I just checked the AI has also entered some customer real feedback for us. Let me just quickly read one feedback for you guys. Comfort meets style. I never felt such comfort in a sneaker. The Street Step Classic is my go-to pair for every occasion. For an AI model who build website for 5 minutes, this feedback is very good for us. Let's just quickly go to about section now. So after coming to the about section page, we can see that the AI has also written 3 short brand journey story for us that we can post it online, and it also added some fake themes for us, and it also added some commitment for us. It's looking good, so we are going to keep it. On the contact page, you will find a working form with name, email, and a message field already linked to the footer section. It's all functional, ready to customize further. In just few minutes, the AI has created a full website layout, complete, responsive, and ready to be personalized. And now that the AI has given us a complete draft, it's time to make it our own. And to do that, we will just click on the confirm and go to editor button. I will start by updating the main headline. Step up your game with comfort. And not only that, we can also edit the main website name too. Let me just write Street Step X1. It's giving more of a Gen Z vibe to me. I don't think there are many more things I want to do in this website. This website is also already looking too good to me. Now that all the edits are done, it's time to take the website live. And for that, I will click on publish button here and then publish as a free site. After that, this strikingly will ask us our business name, and by default it's citing Street Step 101. I will go with it and click on next here and again publish now. And within second, the site is hosted automatically by Strikingly. No setup, no server configuration needed. Let us quickly copy the URL here and post it in new tab. And that's it. The website is now live, responsive and connected across all pages. In just few minutes, we went from single idea to a working multi-page website built entirely by AI. The website is now live, responsive, connected across all pages. In just few minutes, we went from single idea to a working multi-page website built entirely by AI. I'm not kidding. If this fast AI start building the website, I might jump into the freelance sector. If you like this video, subscribe for more AI builds and tutorial like this fun. This is NIIT, making AI learning real, practical and fun. See you in the next one.